Tonight, a new policy is now in place that could affect thousands of Texans in the transgender community. As of Tuesday, the Texas Department of Public Safety is mandating that drivers can no longer change the gender on their driver's license. KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs explains.
Ever since I can remember, I've been who I am.
As a trans woman living in San Antonio, Sofia Sepulveda has been on the forefront of fighting for equality among the LGBTQ+ community. According to Texas DPS, the agency is no longer accepting court orders as a foundation to change gender identification when it comes to driver's licenses. The only exception if there are so-called clerical errors. While there's no explicit mention in the policy of targeting trans people, Sepulveda says it's an indirect political attack.
Thankfully, I changed everything a few years back.
But she feels for those who will face challenges going forward.
They're not going to be able to make the changes that I was able to make, right? And they're not going to be able to be really living without fear.
Brad Pritchett, interim director of Equality Texas, says the new rule is already proving problematic for some of the 93,000 trans Texans.
We've already had several members of the community call us saying that they've been turned away after trying to change their gender marker with a legitimate court order.
The ACLU of Texas has expressed concern about the requirement laid out in a DPS internal email that calls for staff to keep track of those who are trying to change their gender marker. ACLU's Ash Hall is reminded of 2022.
Attorney General Ken Paxton has attempted to get data on trans people requesting gender marker changes before. He just wasn't successful at the time.
The ACLU of Texas is not ruling out pursuing legal action. I caught up with one family law attorney who tells me that DPS rejecting certified court orders could potentially be unconstitutional. On the Northwest Side, Zach Briggs, KENS 5.